Every star you see in the night sky is a warrior, a cosmic giant fighting a battle so fierce it lasts for millions, even billions of years. But what exactly is this battle? And why does every star, from the smallest red dwarf to the mightiest supergiant, eventually lose it? It all starts in vast clouds of gas and dust called nebulae. Gravity pulls particles together, tighter and tighter, until the core becomes so dense and hot that atoms fuse. Hydrogen nuclei merge to form helium, and just like that, a star is born. From the very first second of its life, the star is at war. On one side, gravity, an unstoppable force trying to crush it inward. On the other, nuclear fusion, blasting outward with unimaginable energy. This constant push and pull creates something scientists call hydrostatic equilibrium. As long as fusion in the core produces enough pressure to balance gravity, the star survives. Think of it as a tightrope, perfectly balanced but always at risk of tipping. For our sun, this balance has lasted for about 4.6 billion years, and it will continue for another 5 billion years more. But battles come at a cost. Every second, our sun fuses 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium. The energy released in just 1 second is greater than what humanity has ever produced in its entire existence. This relentless burning changes the star's core. Over time, hydrogen fuel runs low, and the balance begins to break. Not all stars fight the same battle. Small, cool red dwarfs burn slowly, conserving fuel, and can fight for trillions of years, far longer than the current age of the universe. But massive stars? They burn bright and fast, like cosmic warriors in a hurry. Some live only a few million years before gravity wins, collapsing them in spectacular explosions called supernovae. No matter their size, all stars eventually lose. When fusion can no longer push outward, gravity takes over. For stars like our sun, gravity crushes the core into a white dwarf, while the outer layers drift away into beautiful clouds called planetary nebulae. For giant stars, the collapse is so violent it creates neutron stars or even black holes, places where gravity's victory is absolute. But without this battle, we wouldn't exist. Fusion inside stars forges the elements: carbon, oxygen, iron, everything that makes up your body, your phone, even the air you breathe. Stars are not just warriors, they are creators. In a way, we are the children of stardust, born from the debris of stars that fought their battles and lost billions of years ago. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, every point of light is a soldier in a cosmic war, a battle of fire and gravity, creation and destruction, a battle that defines the very story of the universe. If you enjoyed this cosmic story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more journeys into the mysteries of the universe.